Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best drills on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is BLACK+DECKER 20V MAX Cordless Drill. If you are shopping for a new drill on a limited budget and only looking to do light-duty DIY projects around your home, then we would recommend this one. This tool costs significantly less than the top models and has more than enough power for most tasks, all in a compact form that is easy to stash in a drawer. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it the perfect option for beginners or entry-level DIYers, and it is very convenient and user-friendly. However, it is severely deficient in drilling or driving power and pales compared to the top-tier products. We were thoroughly unimpressed with its performance when using larger hole saws or driving in big bolts. We aren't sure we would recommend using this device for these types of tasks if you want to prolong its life. The battery delivered an uninspiring performance in our battery life tests, and we thought it seemed less durable than other drills overall. Although it's not the best for heavy-duty applications, it's our top recommendation if you want a bare-bones drill on a limited budget. Number 2. Our second best pick is CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill. This tool is one of the less expensive options out there but holds its own against tools that cost quite a bit more. It did surprisingly well in some of our toughest tests, boring holes up to 5 inches in diameter without issue and offering plenty of control when it came to setting countersunk fasteners to the appropriate depth. It isn't overly heavy and would be a great complement to the occasional DIYers or a homeowner's toolbox. This isn't our top recommendation if you are shopping on a budget and looking to use this tool as the foundation for your eventual cordless tool collection. We don't think the library of compatible tools is as popular or readily available as other battery systems, and it's overall much smaller as well. Combined with the fact that you usually only get a single battery, we suggest investing a bit more if you plan to procure more cordless tools in the future. Despite that, we were overall impressed with the performance of the CRAFTSMAN given its affordable nature and would readily recommend it if you're planning to buy only a drill. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bosch 12V MAX 2-Speed Drill. If you are shopping on a budget and like the pistol grip style and compact size of a 12-volt drill, then this is a fantastic option for you. This model is a great option for the average homeowner who might want to undertake some DIY or home improvement projects but isn't doing any major renovations. This pint-sized device packs plenty of punch, doing quite well in our drilling and driving evaluations, all while being one of the more convenient tools to operate. This handy cordless is lightweight, ergonomic, and a great addition to any DIYer's arsenal. Being smaller and lighter, this tool fits nicely into tight and dark spaces that larger tools cannot access, and it doesn't take up as much space on a tool bench. Unfortunately, it can't quite compare to the drilling and driving performance of the top-tier, higher voltage tools. It struggled to drive the 1/2 lag screw in and complained when getting the 5-hole saw to its full depth. The battery life here is also somewhat lackluster. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12-volt model barely outscored the Bosch overall. Still, we found the price of the Bosch to be more enticing than the marginal improvement the Milwaukee offers. This Bosch tool is a compact option that's a good bargain and more than capable of handling light-duty tasks and house projects. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 Drill. If you are on the hunt for a heavy-duty cordless tool and are looking for a tool-only option, then this is a great option. This tool is a fantastic choice for heavy-duty applications, with more than enough drilling and driving power for just about every task imaginable. It also makes very efficient use of its battery, boring more holes and driving in more screws than other tools when using the same capacity battery. Unfortunately, this tool is definitely on the heftier side, weighing quite a bit more than some other products. It can also be a bit more expensive, so it might be out of the budget for someone who isn't looking to use a drill regularly or might not need the drilling and driving power for heavy-duty applications. ensures optimal performance and provides overload protection to prevent damage to the tool and battery during heavy applications while still maintaining compatibility across the entire M18 system. Delivers more work per charge and more work over the life of the pack than competitors. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Cobalt 24V MAX Cordless Brushless Drill. Claiming one of the top performances out of the entire group, it shows that voltage makes a difference when it comes to performance with these products. This cordless drill did exceptionally well across the bulk of our tests, handing in definitive results in our hardest tests, like boring through a 5-inch solid core door. In addition to excellent drilling performance, the tool is also great for driving fasteners, not struggling at all with larger lag bolts. On top of that, it has an excellent battery life, so it can keep on driving screws and drilling holes long after the other products have called it quits. This model doesn't come cheap, though its price as a kit, with the included battery, charger, and soft case, is lower than several top-shelf drills we tested. We recommend regular users buy a second battery to avoid over an hour of recharge time if the battery dies mid-project. Still, the 2Ah battery produced some of the most impressive scores of all models in our battery life tests, so you get a lot out of that single battery. This tool is our top recommendation for anyone who wants a powerful drill that can handle any DIY project you throw at it. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.